Welcome to our lecture on transfer of training, a critical component of effective training programs. This session explores how knowledge and skills learned in training are applied and maintained on the job. We'll define transfer types, identify barriers, and discuss strategies to enhance transfer, including trainee characteristics, training design, and work environment factors. We'll also examine interventions and post-training supplements to improve outcomes. For example, a safety training's success depends on employees applying skills on the job. As we proceed, reflect on how transfer impacts training in your field. Take notes and ask questions as we delve into ensuring training translates into workplace performance. Today's learning outcomes guide our exploration of transfer of training. We'll define transfer and its types, identify barriers like lack of supervisor support, and explore strategies to enhance transfer through trainee characteristics, design, and environment. We'll also discuss interventions like relapse prevention and the transfer system's role. For instance, ensuring customer service training transfers to real interactions improves performance. As we discuss these outcomes, consider their application in your industry. This lecture equips you to design training that ensures skills are applied effectively, enhancing outcomes in fields like healthcare or retail. Transfer of training refers to the generalization of knowledge and skills learned in training and their maintenance over time on the job. It ensures training translates into workplace performance. For example, a technician learning equipment repair must apply skills consistently in real settings. Effective transfer bridges training and job performance, maximizing impact. As we explore this, think about training programs you've seen. Did skills transfer effectively? This concept is critical in industries like manufacturing or education, where applying learned skills directly enhances organizational outcomes and employee performance. Transfer of training includes several types: near transfer, applying skills to similar tasks; far transfer, applying skills to different contexts; and positive, enhancing performance; negative, hindering performance; or zero, no impact. Transfer. For example, near transfer occurs when a cashier applies training to similar transactions, while far transfer involves adapting skills to new systems. As we discuss this, consider how transfer types apply in your field. Understanding these ensures training is designed for effective application in industries like retail or IT, where context matters. The transfer problem occurs when trained skills are not applied or maintained on the job, wasting resources. For example, employees trained in conflict resolution may not use skills if unsupported. This undermines training effectiveness and organizational goals. As we explore this, think about transfer issues in your industry. Why do they occur? Addressing this problem is crucial in fields like healthcare or logistics, where failure to apply skills can impact safety or efficiency, requiring strategies to ensure training translates into performance. Barriers to transfer include lack of supervisor support, inadequate resources or opportunities to apply skills, and a negative transfer climate. The primary barrier is unsupportive managers who fail to reinforce training. For example, a safety training may fail if supervisors don't encourage protocol use. As we discuss this, consider barriers in your field. In industries like construction or education, overcoming these barriers ensures training translates into performance, enhancing outcomes through supportive environments and resources. Supervisor support is critical for transfer, encouraging employees to apply skills and reinforcing training's importance. Lack of support is the top barrier, as unsupportive managers hinder application. For example, a supervisor coaching employees post-training ensures safety skills are used. As we explore this, think about how supervisors influence training in your industry. In fields like retail or healthcare, strong supervisor support drives successful transfer, ensuring skills are applied consistently, enhancing performance and organizational goals. The transfer of training process involves inputs, trainee characteristics, design, environment, outputs, skill application, and conditions, organizational support. It ensures skills are generalized and maintained. For example, a customer service training's success depends on motivated trainees, effective design, and supportive conditions. As we discuss this, consider how this process applies in your field. In industries like hospitality or manufacturing, understanding this process ensures training leads to measurable performance improvements, aligning with organizational objectives. Trainee characteristics, like cognitive ability, motivation, self-efficacy, internal locus of control, and organizational commitment, influence transfer. Motivated trainees with confidence in their abilities are more likely to apply skills. For example, a committed employee is more likely to use safety training effectively. As we explore this, think about how trainee traits affect training in your industry. In fields like education or IT, selecting trainees with strong characteristics enhances transfer, ensuring skills are applied effectively on the job. Training design factors like identical elements, matching training to job tasks, general principles, teaching underlying concepts, and stimulus variability, varying instructional strategies enhance transfer. For example, a technical training using real equipment ensures identical elements. As we discuss this, consider how design impacts transfer in your field. In industries like engineering or healthcare, these factors ensure training mirrors job demands, improving skill application and retention for better performance. Work environment factors, including supervisor and co-worker support, opportunities to perform trained tasks, and a continuous learning culture, drive transfer. For example, a supportive environment encourages nurses to apply new protocols. As we explore this, think about how your industry's environment affects training. In fields like retail or manufacturing, a positive environment ensures skills are applied, enhancing performance and aligning with organizational goals through reinforcement and opportunities. Readiness to learn, defined as ability multiplied by motivation and perceptions of the work environment, influences training success and transfer. Motivated trainees in supportive settings are more likely to apply skills. For example, a motivated technician in a supportive environment excels post-training. As we discuss this, consider how readiness impacts training in your field. In industries like education or healthcare, fostering readiness ensures effective learning and transfer, maximizing training impact. Transfer strategies, applied before, during, and after training, involve management, trainers, and trainees to enhance skill application. Examples include setting expectations, providing practice, and reinforcing skills post-training. For instance, pre-training briefings prepare employees for safety protocols. As we explore this, think about strategies in your industry. In fields like logistics or retail, these strategies ensure training translates into performance, aligning with organizational needs and improving outcomes. Transfer interventions, provided at training's end, include relapse prevention, avoiding skill loss, self-management, trainees monitor progress, and goal setting, defining performance targets. For example, goal setting in sales training drives performance. As we discuss this, consider how interventions could enhance training in your field. In industries like hospitality or IT, interventions ensure skills are maintained, improving long-term performance and aligning with organizational objectives. Post-training supplements, like booster sessions, refresher courses, self-coaching, self-guided practice, and upward feedback, employee input to managers, enhance transfer. For example, booster sessions reinforce safety skills. As we explore this, think about how supplements could support training in your industry. In fields like healthcare or education, these supplements ensure skills are sustained, improving performance and ensuring training investments yield lasting results. The transfer system encompasses all factors: person, training, and organization that influence learning transfer to job performance. The Learning Transfer System Inventory, LTSI, assesses these factors. For example, LTSI might reveal supervisor support gaps. As we discuss this, consider how your organization's system impacts transfer. In industries like manufacturing or retail, a strong transfer system ensures skills are applied, enhancing performance and aligning with organizational goals. The model of training effectiveness integrates inputs, trainee characteristics, design, environment and outputs, skill application to focus on transfer outcomes. It ensures training aligns with organizational goals. For example, a safety training model ensures protocols are applied, As we explore this, think about how this model applies in your field. In industries like healthcare or logistics, it guides effective training, ensuring skills translate into measurable performance improvements. Overcoming transfer barriers involves enhancing supervisor support, providing opportunities to apply skills, and fostering a positive transfer climate. For example, regular feedback from supervisors reinforces training. As we discuss this, consider how to address barriers in your industry. In fields like education or construction, these strategies ensure skills are applied, improving performance and ensuring training aligns with organizational objectives. Transfer of training maximizes training investment, improves job performance, and aligns with organizational goals. Without transfer, training fails to deliver value. For example, effective transfer in customer service training boosts satisfaction. As we explore this, think about why transfer matters in your field. In industries like retail or healthcare, ensuring transfer enhances efficiency and outcomes, making training a strategic tool for organizational success. In summary, transfer of training ensures skills are applied and maintained, driving performance. Barriers like lack of supervisor support hinder success, but strategies like interventions and supplements enhance transfer. The transfer system aligns training with organizational goals. For example, effective transfer and safety training reduces incidents. As we conclude, reflect on how transfer applies in your field. This lecture provides a framework for ensuring training delivers lasting impact in industries like education or manufacturing. Thank you for your attention.